Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to create a 3D roof in SketchUp for Lumion 2023. So for SketchUp, the first thing we need to do is create our roof tile. Create a small rectangle of 250 by 65. It's going to be 20 from the right down 80 to the right. Put the sides to 6 because we need to make very low poly. And let's go with 4 for the smaller. Perfect. Let's select everything, move, and then side 15 to give it an offset of 50. Let's give it a length and extrusion of 350. Let's make a component. We're going to call it the roof tile. What we need to do is select this one and duplicate it and give it an offset of 300. What we are going to do is go inside the component, make sure your rotation is correct, and then put it, if I want to duplicate another one, for example put it on 600, it fits perfect. First make an entire sheet and then we will place it over here, and then we're going to cut away the edges. So as you can see now we have put all the elements over here. First we need to select all instances and let's make a group. So now we have set the tiles on the roof side with the right angle, and now we have to cut away everything we don't need. There are two ways to do this. One way is free way that I will show you, and one way is the paid way. There is an extension on the extension warehouse where you can split a vise based on a section plane. I don't have that one. I'm not going to pay for that one. It's a lot easier, but I will show you a way to do it for free. First thing we need is a plane. So we're going to create like a big plane. Let's make it a group and put it over here on the corner. Rotate it through to the ends of the roof. We need to make one big group, and let's angle it just right so it's almost straight, and let's select almost everything we don't need. So that will be almost, yeah, I think that's it. Alright, so let's do it the same over here, just the edge. Let's see which one we need. The rest we need. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is right click and make them unique. Now here comes the tricky part. We need to cut this one for Ctrl X, and select this one as well. Select all instances, make them a group, go inside this group, Ctrl V to paste the new, and then what we need to do is select all except the plane, and we're going to explode them. Then we're going to have the option select all again, and we're going to say interface with selection. So that's going to cut away all the excess, and now we have to manually select everything just so we can almost select everything and delete. Just zoom in a bit and then you can remove some parts. Alright, so we need to do this on the other side as well. You can't, because we have created all the tiles one way, you can't just copy and paste it over here because that will have a distortion in the roof. Go to Ctrl V, the plane that we just made, and now we have to rotate it again, and then we need to do it on the other side as well. So let's select everything that we don't need. It's a big one. Let's select everything just on the edge. Unique first, and then make a group. Let's select all instances, select all, deselect it, explode, select all, and then interface with the selection. Remove the plane, And now we can remove all the excess roof tiles. So to create the roof tile for the edge, we need to have a circle every maybe 200 maybe. Then we need a cylinder 6, put it over here, 100. Let's put it smaller, let's put it at 15. Remove this one, make components. It's going to be the roof tile edge, and give it an extension of 400. Let's make it a little bit bigger, and go inside here, select this edge, scale this thing, move it to straighten it out, and then let's give it an extension of 380. Put it over here as well. So let's do that by 768. Do that 10 times probably over here. So let's give this a rotation. The same as here. Let's see if I can select edge. Yes, beautiful. So let's select this thing. Let's make a group of this one over here. Set it straight to the 3D roof. Looks nice. The only thing is that it needs to be set up a little bit higher. 50. Beautiful. Let's go with the straight one as well. Rotate it because it needs to be the other way around. Here. Put it somewhere over here. And then put it on top. I'm not going to do that because that takes too long. Let's move that here with 380. 6 more times. Perfect. Let's add the roof again back. Alright, I think that's it for the 3D roof. To add a little bit of variation to the roof, I have a little extension that's a random selection. So what we can do with that is select one of the edges or one of the groups, select all, and then we can just create a new one and call it the roof tile 1. Let's add this one, and then we're going to create another one. Let's make it a little bit darker, and let's call this one roof tile 2. Let's randomize it. Let's say we want to select 2/3 of it and give it a darker color. And let's make another one, and let's make that pitch black. So now you have random tiles, and you can see that in Lumion as well. And you can do this for every side, so we will do that right now. So now all the tiles have a texture, and as you can see, it's all randomized and it looks really good. And if you put it in Lumion, as you will see, now it has more variation. So now that we are finished with our roof, we can export it to Lumion. So let's do that right now. As you can see, the difference between a 2D and a 3D roof is really big. If you like this video, maybe leave a like on the video, consider subscribing if you want to see more, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!